company sent me these headlights and I want to see if they're actually worth anything. So I'm going to throw them in my 99 and see what happens. If you're not familiar, the 100 series factory headlights kind of suck. So I'm hoping that this is a nice and easy fix that at least makes it a little bit brighter. So we'll find out. Packaging is fairly nice. Comes with a nice little instruction booklet. So here's that. The company's name is AUXITO. Yeah. But the actual product on hand looks like it comes with 2 jumper wires and fan-cooled LED headlights. The installation for this is pretty straightforward. There's basically just a little, it's just like changing a regular headlight, but the one difference is that these are made, they're pretty hot, but basically they're made just to fit in with 2 red O-rings that keep it in there with friction. So it slides into that little housing, and that piece is put in there where the normal H1 bulb would fit. So pretty straightforward. Just take out the old bulb, fit that into place. Latch it closed, plug in the light, and shove it in. Well, here's a look at them after they've been installed. And they're at 6500 Kelvin. You can see the little fan working away. Unfortunately, the housing does not close because the LED is too big, so I'll probably have to modify those in order to make it work. But the thing that everybody wants to know about, does it actually change the brightness?
Yeah.